can smell something burning from the other part of Manchester. What a game! What a game! If you ask me to describe it in one word, I'll be like pendulum. Manchester United were attacking, City were attacking, they were defending well, we were defending well. Superb game. This is what we want to see from Manchester United. I think last time I saw Manchester United push up so high up the field, I think it was a year back, might be. What a game. That's what you want from a defender, is being brave. Trust me, I can't believe it. And I was watching them move up so high up the pitch. I think it's the first time I've ever seen a monkey and a donkey push up the field so high. Seriously, I think most of the Manchester United fans, they expected might be a draw or getting trashed. I didn't expect, trust me. I'm saying it from the bottom of my heart. I didn't expect them to win. Okay, but they did the impossible. They're closing on the gap, but I'm not going to change my stance on Ole. He is not the right manager. If he plays like this kind of football that he played yesterday, he might stay. But then you see the draws. I'm not talking about an individual game. It's a run of games. Drawing away against West Brom, Everton, Crystal Palace. That's not what Manchester United is about. It's about class. It's about attacking. It's about the finishing. It's about the quality. You know, but where credit is due, I must you know, be humble to give it to them. They really played well. The defense was looking good. They were in good shape. Manchester City had a lot of chances. Sterling, especially him, he was good but failed to convert it. We were lucky not to let them score. They were really looking like they're going to score any moment, especially after the first 45 minutes. The first 20 minutes, Manchester United played superb. After that, they just went back. City started dominating stuff. We too had a good amount of chances. The Martial chance, I felt he could have just slammed it on the left, the far end of the post. But anyways, 2-0. Aaron Wan-Bissaka, Luke Shaw, Harry Maguire, Lindelof, McTominay, Fred. I think Fred played really well. The loose balls, I think we grasped on it really well, and this is what we want. And Ole, I did criticize him in the last video. A good game, and we are happy. It's ended in a win. No one expected it, and Kevin De Bruyne, what is he doing? He's playing like Fellaini over there. Hardly any glimpses of him. The City. I'll tell you something. The moment the penalty was given, I think that's when City started shitting themselves. Seriously, who gives a penalty like that within? I think not even a minute. It's like going to Sultan Palia and expecting not to get pickpocketed. You will get pickpocketed, and that's what happened to Jesus, giving up silly penalty over there, and that's when the tempo started, I think, of the match. And Bruno, expert in penalties. I'm not going to go over the moon just because you beat City 2-0. Just one game. We still have very bad record against the top 6. And we're going to face AC Milan on Thursday. Hopefully we don't screw it up, because we're an expert in all this. Win a game, next match, screw it up. So hopefully we don't do that.